Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kiana, sincerely Kiana, and today I'm going to be trying on a few sunglasses that I got for Christmas. Sunglasses have become my latest obsession. I've been like buying them left and right, but your girl needs to slow down, and I want to show you some that I got for Christmas. So basically, if you don't know, well, Dr. Taylor had launched her Lorvae line back in April, I believe, for her birthday. And ever since she dropped, your girl has been copping them left and right. Every collection, I got at least one pair from each collection. I'm going to show you some ones that I got from the previous collections, and then I'm going to try on the ones that I got for Christmas from her latest drop. So, your girl is a junkie. Yes, a Lorvae junkie. Receipts, details, world record, main event. Yes. Your girl loves her sunglasses, and like I said, these are from her, those ones are from the first collection, her fall collection. Yeah, two from her first collection and then two from the fall collection. But today I'm going to try on the ones I got for Christmas. I was super adamant about getting some more sunglasses for Christmas so I can just kick back and style in peace without having to spend my own money. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the first pair. Okay, so we're actually going to start off with the pair that I did buy, because I did buy a pair when she launched her winter collection. Let's go ahead and pop this baby open. We're going to do like a semi unboxing so you get a feel of what her packaging look like. If you haven't seen it already, it is super cute, super stylish. Okay, your girl was struggling. Okay, the bottom of the box. Lorvae box, fashionably shading you. Our little thank you card. Can you see it? Look, I got so many of these that don't make no sense. No sense at all. I don't know. Has anybody else like created a new obsession? Like, I don't know. I remember I used to didn't like to wear sunglasses, so I never found a pair that I liked. But all of a sudden, your girl has been into them. Check out the cute little bag. Okay. Totally different from her first two collections, because they usually come in like boxes and sleeves. So your girl upgraded. But inside the pouch, we have, see, this is the sleeves I was talking about. They came in these in like the little box, but they've never had the pouch. Oh no, I take that back. It was a sunglass case, but it wasn't the little pouchy bag like that. Okay, and these I just had to have. I don't know why, but I just had to have these. I was like, oh, I have to have them. I have to have them. So these are, like I said, from our winter collection. This is the style Sleigh. They're chrome. Look at that. Look at that. Baby, where am I going? Where am I? Ooh, I should have kept my lashes off. Where am I going? Like I said, this is the pair of Sleigh from the winter collection. I need an outfit because what? What? Y'all, no, for real, like for real, I never used to wear sunglasses up until probably up until last April. Like, I used to buy them every now and then, but I never found a frame that fit my face besides like an aviator frame. But so far, all of her frames has been hitting like on my round face. Look at me, like I'm feeling these. Like LL Cool J, hey lover, like I'm feeling these. Like, okay. Now, before we stain these with makeup, because I hate staining my sunglasses, we're going to go to the second pair. Sleigh baby. From the winter collection. Like, this pouch is just too cute. Now, this is one of my Christmas gifts. I think my older cousin got me these ones. And yes, I picked them out, so I know exactly which ones these are. But baby, look at these. Now, if you're familiar with her first collection, she had the same shade, just in like a nudish white color. So this is New Era, but in matte black. please tell me these ain't for me. Like, you cannot convince me that I do not need these. I don't know where I'm going in them, but I needed these. Like, how cute. Like, baby, I could be sitting up in the club. Oh, of course the chair gonna turn. Sitting up in the club, you don't even know who I am. You just think I got some money. Ugh. Needed them. Had to have them. Glad I got them. Like the matte black though. And like I said, but look at the interior. Look at the gold writing. Like, super cute. Lorvae, baby. This was a styler box that the first two collections came in. So, I'll go ahead. Oh, did I get makeup on here? I did. The Infamous pouch. And these ones are from her fall collection, I believe. And I just had to have these. Did I need a pair of red sunglasses? No. But let me tell you why I did need them. So these are red, of course, but this is from our Unbothered collection, the fall collection. The reason why I had to have these is because the name of the sunglasses. Even though I know she wasn't thinking about me when she named them, but the name of these sunglasses are named after my mother. This is the Scarlet Red Unbothered sunglasses. Unbothered at its finest. So look at these. You cannot tell me that you don't need to go cop a pair. 2 or 3. You know? Look at these. Like, girl, you did your thing, dear. I mean, I wouldn't expect nothing less, but you did your thing with these. My little round face could fit almost all of them. The only pair I can say that I had to like get adjusted just a little bit was Main Event. These babies here, like as cute as they are, it's just like they were super tight on my face, so I had to go get them adjusted. But other than that, they all fit pretty well on my face. But I think I'm gonna have to wear these this weekend. I don't know where I'm going, but I need to wear them somewhere. I need to wear them somewhere. Now before we stay on with makeup, like I said, I just wanted to show you guys what I got for Christmas. I know Christmas was about 2 weeks ago, but still, I want to show you these super cute glasses. If you're into sunglasses, I definitely recommend checking out the Lorvae line. Super affordable. They're super stylish, and like they're extremely sturdy. Like, they're not like plastic. You're not gonna break them after one drop. Trust me, I tried. They're not gonna break. Like, they go, there's a pair for every outfit, every occasion. So definitely check them out. Thank you guys for watching as always, and until next time, see you later.